This conference will now be recorded.
So you need to give a blank check to do a payment. Okay, so at that time you can how we had registered our checks under SBI. Correct, here in check register under SBI Bank we had done this. So when I go to change the status, space alt s, change the status to blank check, it will tell me allow a zero value transaction option in the payment voucher type. So it is telling me in the payment voucher you need to do this changes. That means in the payment voucher this changes must be done, where you can give a blank payment without amount. Okay, so that is where you must do the changes. So go to alter, go to voucher type. Under that you select payment voucher. Under that you have here allow zero valid transaction. Do yes. Control A. I repeat class. Go to alter. Under that voucher type. Under that payment. Under allow zero value transaction. Okay. So I can give a payment. It's a single entry system. So direct from SBI, I am paying Aman Traders. So it will not go to the amount only. Did you see? Aman Traders, when I do enter, automatically it is coming down to end of the list. You want, you can, from SBI, one more check you want to do, you can give another check. But here, it is not asking for another amount. Directly, it is because it is a blank check. So you can see here in the status, blank check. I repeat, go to bank, go to banking, check register, go to SBI, enter, select the checks, press spacebar, Alt plus S to open, click on blank check, do the voucher. Do it, class. Done, class? Put one when done. Just continue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, could you please show it again? I'm not getting it.
Okay, what are the steps you're doing?
Ma'am, firstly, I allowed the zero value transaction,
Hmm.
and then I went to bank and in that check register,
Hmm.
and there I'm trying to press Alt and S, but there is no changes being viewed on the
You're
screen, ma'am.
supposed to select under check register, do enter.
Under which one, ma'am?
Under check register, do enter.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, select one check.
Yes, ma'am.
Now press space bar.
What, ma'am?
Space button. Space bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Now press Alt plus S. Are you able to?
No, ma'am.
Actually. So you saw there voucher type, it is allow user correct your allow zero to valid transaction, that is right. It is activated. Check there once. Voucher type, payment, here allow zero valid transaction to yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you come to banking, check register. Under that which bank you enter. Under this again you enter. You select one check. You hold space bar. You get this in blue color. Only when this is blue underlined, then that means this particular check is selected. Only then you can do Alt S.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else who's not able to do? Try Vidya. If not, let me know. Aishwarya is there? Aishwarya? Aishwarya R. Okay. Now next, we'll go to TDS part. So TDS stands for tax deducted at source. It is to deduct the tax on an income. That means before you collect tax in GST, correct? Here in TDS, we deduct the tax and give the rest of the amount. For example, your salary is 20,000. You deduct 10% of your salary as TDS. So you will get 18,000. 2,000 is there with the employee, which will be put in NSDL, National Depositors Scheme Limited, where in the year end you can file your ITR and you can get your returns, and if you are eligible for this. Okay, so that is how you deduct and you return that. So it can be for salary, it can be for interest on securities, it can be for lotteries or some games like these crosswords, horses, and all your money based games. Okay, for all that, TDS will be deducted, commission, brokerage, rent, such fees for professionals, technical services. So for all these kinds, TDS will be deducted. So how you have a GSTIN, that is GST number, same way we have TAN, that is tax deducted and collected account number. Okay. TAN, tax deducted and collected account number, where it is your kind of with your PAN number and your complete, it's something your certification number. Okay, you can just take down class TDS as your heading.
Ma'am, screen isn't being presented now.
I don't have that in the screen. I am just dictating. I'll send you the notes in the group later. Just the points I dictate, you can take down. Later, it will be sent in your group. TDS stands for tax deducted at source. The concept of TDS was introduced in the Income Tax Act 1961 with the objective of deducting the tax on an income. Some income which are subjected to TDS are salary, rent of land, building or furnitures, commission, okay, etc. Next, take down TAN, T-A-N. TAN is the tax deducted and collected account number. Okay. So the deductee will take the tax. From the deductee, the deductor takes the tax and gives the rest of the amount to the deductee. Then he can claim it in the end of the year. So how you can create TDS here, how you can work with TDS, I'll show you. For this, create a new company. Name it as MCC hyphen your name hyphen TDS. Create a new company. Created class. Niharika, your home. Okay. Created class. Making you create new company because you don't get confused. So that in the new company, we'll be activating only TDS. You can also create it in the existing. You can also create it in the existing company, like you can just go to features and activate, but I didn't want you to do. So enter, keep GST as no, TDS to yes. Give the registration number. You can put the same number as I am, or you can just change, put some dummy numbers. Then you give your PAN number. Four alphas, 5 number, and 1 alpha. Do it. Enter and save. If anybody is not able to follow, please let me know.
Ma'am, could you please
Now there are
repeat it?
Okay, you just have to create a new company. In that, you go to F11. I mean, you don't have to go to F11 when you create a company. Automatically, features will come here. In that, here you have to do TDS yes. Do as GST no, so that it will not, you will not get confused. Do only TDS yes and enter. When you enter, you get this details. Put the details there.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, class? Next, there are few things like in GST, how we created few ledgers and a few stock items and other things. Same way here, we need to create some requirements before we go to vouchers. Okay. Once you're done with this, you go to create. Under that, you go to statutory masters. In that, you have nature of payment. Okay. So you have here actually when you are as in this Tally Prime, no, in only in education version you will not be able to get the list of nature of payment, but in a licensed version you'll be able to get the list of payment when you do with Control C. Okay. So you can just do whatever I say. Later you can also, you want, you can, I'll send you the list in the notes. So you will also have the like name you can give for the payment code and the remedy code. So you can give according to that list. So we'll just do rent now. Rent of land and building. Okay. Section 4 code will be 194. This will be 41B. So with TAN will be 10%. So if you don't give the PAN number of the particular deductee, then it will be 20%. Automatically, it will deduct 20%. Do this class, everyone. if these all you are not able to see, then you are supposed to go to F12 and then do everything to yes. So if you do F12 here, all this, allow rate without pan to yes, then you can see this details. Okay. Everyone done? Enter. Here, threshold limit will be 1,80,000. 1,80,000. So only when it is above 1,80,000, it will give you the, it will deduct 10%. Enter. Escape. We'll create groups for the differentiating. We'll create group name rent expenses. Under indirect expense, here set alter TDS to yes. Enter. Keep it undefined. Do it, class. Indirect expense. Enter rent of land and building. So here what we are, why we are creating this group, because so whatever ledger we create under rent, automatically the TDS will be activated, and this particular nature of payment, that is what to be added, that will already be there here in the group. That is why we are creating group here, a separate group for as rent expense. Done, class? Now we'll create the ledgers, required ledgers. Go to ledgers, enter. Rent on building. Under this, you will select as rent expenses, the group which we just created. Not applicable. Here, TDS, keep that as undefined. Sorry, wait, first applicable, then undefined. because here already rent expenses you have done, correct? So that will already be applicable here. So you can keep this undefined. Do it, class. Okay. Enter and save. Next, we'll create one. Maria.
கம்பெனி காலுக்கு இவ்வளவு பெரிய ஒரு பில்டப்பா
Maria.
ரொம்ப நொந்து நூடல்ஸ் ஆயிட்டேன். இப்பதான் வந்தியா மக்களே?
ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் லாகின் பண்ண முடியல.
ஏன் நெட் இல்லையோ?
ஃபுல் இங்க தான் காலையில இருந்து 199 தான் 200 MB தான் காலி ஆயிடுச்சு.
எவ்வளவு
இன்னும்
போடுது நீங்க அப்போ?
1.5க்குது. எவ்வளோ ஜிபிக்குது?
எது வந்து ஏர்டெல்லா இல்ல?
ஏர்டெல் யூஸே பண்றது இல்ல. யூஸே பண்றது இல்ல. நான் காலேஜ் போயிட்டேன்.
இந்த நம்ம
Tell her to leave the
காலியா
class and she
வட
wants to
கொண்டு
talk.
அப்படியே இருக்குது.
அப்படியே இருக்குது.
எந்த ரெண்டும் அப்படியே இருக்குது. 3.5 GB இருக்குது. இது 2.5, இது 2, இது 1.5. மொத்தம்
என்ன பண்ணும்?
என்ன பண்றது? ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது.
Maria Densila. She's not even listening to the class. Right, Maria? Okay. Next, we'll create a creditor. Mr. XYZ under sundry creditors. Okay. Here. Yes. Under company resident. Yes. Not required. All items means again we don't have to create each item. We don't have to create the creditors again. So keep that as no. Here. If you don't give your PAN number, no, it will take 20%. So I'll give the PAN number here. Or the fourth character. Same details only. Do this class. Okay. Enter, save. Next, we'll create the TDS as we created GST, CGST, SGST, right? So we need to create the TDS like that. Under duties and taxes, under TDS, under rent of land and building. Enter, save. Load class. Enter, save. So before we give a payment, like for example, if I'm paying with your 2 lakh rupees, I am supposed to do some adjustment here. So what is the adjustment? I am supposed to deduct TDS. So I just send her 1,80,000 does not show any accounts here of TDS. It does not show that TDS amount is deducted so much. Nothing will be seen. So I am supposed to do the adjustment first and then do with the further thing. So in which voucher do we do the adjustments? Which is the adjustment voucher class? Which is called as the adjustment voucher? Come on, see your pages. Very good. Good. So journal is called as the adjustment voucher. So we'll be doing the adjustment first. Chaitra, no? Chaitra,
Yes,
what?
ma'am. Chaitra MS, ma'am.
Go to vouchers. Journal voucher. So first you go rent on building, 2 lakhs. Enter. Whomever you're giving, like Mr. XYZ. Here automatically it will come 1,80,000. Enter. New reference, 2 lakhs. Again new reference, 20,000. So 20,000 is being deducted. Again credit. Where does that 20,000 go? 20,000 goes on TDS, duties and taxes. Automatically you will get this. If every ledgers, everything is right, then you directly get this. You don't have to do anything. When you give there 2 lakhs, automatically it will deduct. Do it, class. Being expenses booked. You want, you can give the, or else not. And then we can show the payment. Once you do this, then I will show you.
Ma'am, I'm not getting 1,80,000.
What are you getting?
Ma'am, it is showing as 2 lakh itself.
No, debit, correct. When you come to Mr. XYZ,
Yeah, ma'am, for that itself it's showing 2 lakhs.
you can share your screen.
Ma'am, can I send a picture? I'm
Picture
using my
will be
phone,
same
ma'am.
as you have to come with first step, because you might have gone wrong. Go to Mr. X ledger and see. Go to Mr. X ledger and see
Yes, ma'am.
what threshold limit you have given in the nature of payment. Sometimes there you might have missed the nature of payment, then you will not get there. From first you should go on seeing where you have missed. Go to nature of payment, see if you have given their threshold limit. One step you have to go on checking. Then see the group, then see the ledgers, then again create new voucher and try. You have to remove that again. If you have not given your threshold limit, create one more Mr. ABC and then put because after that it might not reflect there.
Yes, ma'am, I had not created. I'm doing it now.
What you had not given threshold limit here.
Ma'am, I'd given it for land and building. Yeah, ma'am, for that I've given. Should we create
That's
it
all.
for XYZ also?
No. XYZ, you take nature of payment as land and building, that's all. See XYZ ledger, just tally. I'm just opening my
Yes,
details.
ma'am.
You can just tally them with your. It would be easy if you share your screen, but it's not possible.
Yes, ma'am, everything is the same.
This is same. Now next, see this. It's the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Rent and bill. This is same. Now see this. It's
It
also
is the
same.
same, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then everything is the same. Only you have created the group. This is same. Here TDS. Niharika, you got? Chaitra, you got? I'll just repeat the step with ya. Okay. You just recheck or create them. First, you create TDS, activate TDS in the company. Okay. And then you go to voucher types. Sorry, nature of payment, statutory details. You create nature of payment there first. And after that, you create group. Rent expense. Under that you give the nature of payment created, and then you create the ledgers, that is the TDS ledger, Mr. XYZ, and what was the other ledger? Rent expense. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'll try doing it again.
Yeah. Let's see if I can send you a picture. Anybody who has got? Deepika, Chaitra, Jasmine. Okay. Niharika got, Sujita got. Vidya, let me know where you stuck. I can help you with that. People do it. Do one more problem. Do a payment to Sai agency of 2,90,000. Okay.
Ma'am, I am also not getting. Can you please show the TDS nature of payment again?
Okay. Will you be able to share your screen, Jasmine?
No, ma'am, I am connected to my phone.
Why will you do that? Everyone. Go to create. You go to TDS nature of payment. Here you give rent on land and buildings. Give here rent on land and buildings. $194. %. Okay. Jasmine,
Yes, ma'am.
done? Vidya?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yeah. Now Vidya, you got?
No, ma'am, I was just following what you were telling now.
Now next, you can create one more with me only, so that you can find out what mistake you had done. Next, go to groups. Jasmine, you also follow with me only. Groups,
Yes, ma'am.
you just change the spelling, okay? So that, or else it will not allow you to create similar. Under indirect expense, to come here and do this as yes. Under land and building, now that what we created. Yes,
Ma'am, how
followed?
did you do that nature of payment?
Here, or you are asking me before?
Ma'am, you just got that nature of payment option right now.
When I do yes here, this will come. Yes in
Okay, ma'am.
yes, set alter TDS details to yes. When you do yes, you get this option.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Rent of land and building, enter. Enter. Next, come to ledgers. First, you will create one, Mr. ABC under sundry creditors. Yes. Company residence. Yes. This will be all items. No. Done. Jasmine Vidya.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. My laptop got shut down. I'm restarting it again.
Okay.
Ma'am, I understood where I'd gone wrong. That nature of payment option thing, I'd mostly selected it as no.
Okay. And you, Jasmine?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
You got it, huh?
I was also having the same problem.
Okay. Everyone others got? Do the next problem I told you. Sai agencies, 2,90,000. Niharika is absent today. Anybody else who did not get TDS? You're all able to do? Please let me know wherever you're stuck. I can show you the I'll give you 5 minutes to finish this. Please put 1 when done. Go with the next. Same way you can do for commission. Nature of payment, you can create as commission or brokerage 194H, 94H with 5%. Okay, and you can create the same ledgers as you do for rent of land and building. Okay.